The main focus of our research is looking at how we can use cannabis and cannabinoids to explore novel treatments for epilepsy. We're also looking at all of the different cannabinoids that come in the cannabis plant and trying to understand how they work at the molecular level. And we're doing that both to identify new therapeutics and for harms reduction. My big dream with our research project is to be able to develop new therapeutics to treat Canadians that are suffering from epilepsy or other chronic disorders, where there are very few treatment options available. In addition to that, if we can identify potential harms from any of the natural products that exist in cannabis, then we can provide that information out to Canadians so that they can use products available on markets more safely. Early in my career, the funding from the Future Leaders program let me really build capacity in my lab. It allowed me to hire additional people and really get a jump start on a program looking at the effects of maternal cannabis exposure on brain development in the uterus and then in early life. That let me hire students, that let me hire and build out new technicians in the lab and grow so that we can be at the place where we are today.
So the Future Leader really exists because of the collaboration and the anchor gift of the Azrieli Foundation. And it's been really gratifying to see these more now than 100 future leaders, these very bright neuroscientists everywhere. And we really have them in every city where there's a neuroscience mission.
I would just like to say a big thanks to the Azrieli Foundation. It really gives us the jumpstart as a lab to be able to investigate these types of research questions. We need funding, we need support, and that foundational early support in my beginnings of my career allows me to progress. It gives that foundation that everything else builds off of.